Assalamu alaikum. We learn a science lesson. Topic is nutrition, and now it is a detailed lesson step by step. We learn carbohydrate. Today lesson is carbohydrate classification and sources. Topic is classification and sources of carbohydrates. Okay. Carbohydrates exist in the form of monosaccharides, glucose, or disaccharide. Okay, lactose and sucrose, and polysaccharides such as starch or cellulose. Okay, it is the definition. Carbohydrate exist in the form of monosaccharides, glucose, disaccharides, lactose and sucrose, and polysaccharides such as starch or cellulose. It is the source of carbohydrates. Now, mono and disaccharides are simple sugar. Okay, it is the part of the carbohydrate, mono and disaccharides. It is the monosaccharides and disaccharides. So it describes mono and disaccharides are simple sugar which we use in daily diet and different fruits. It is present in the different fruits, milk, table sugar, sweet, etc. Mono and disaccharide is a simple sugar. Again, we learn carbohydrates exist in the form of monosaccharides. It is the classification: monosaccharides, glucose, disaccharides, lactose, and sucrase, and polysaccharides such as starch or sucrose. Now, monosaccharides and disaccharides. Mono and disaccharides describe our simple sugar which we use in the daily life. Some different fruits, milk, table sugar, sweets, etc. And second part, polysaccharides. Second part of diet. Polysaccharides are the complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates. Different complex carbohydrates called polysaccharides. Okay. Polysaccharides have a complex of carbohydrates, different diets, different fruits, different diet elements. Okay, and it is found in bread, cereals, legumes, rice, pasta, and stretchy vegetables like potato. Here is bread, corn, sweet potato, beans, pasta, etc. Okay, it is a classified of polysaccharides. All these things are have diets of polysaccharides, and one part of mono and disaccharide is a simple sugar. Are you understand? Simple sugar we get all the fruits, different fruits, and sweets and sweet vegetables, sweet different um, fruits and milk and etc. which we have daily diet. And second part, polysaccharides. Polysaccharide is a complex different vegetables, different things has carbohydrates classified the polysaccharides. It is found in the bread, cereals, lamb, rice, pasta, potato, and different vegetables and different diet we use in the daily life. Here is some picture: bread, corn, potato, sweet potato, beans, pasta, etc. It is the lesson is complete. Here is we learn today carbohydrates classification and source. It is a short lesson because student learn it easily, learn it again and again, and try understand the diet plan. Try understand the diet plan which have carbohydrates, which we use in daily life, which we use in daily diet. Carbohydrates in different vegetables, different in two parts. One is monosaccharides and disaccharide, and second is polysaccharide. Okay, are you understand? Learn again and again. If you like my lesson, subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.